Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Boba. Every now and then I like doing these object ones, so let me know what else you want to see. So let's get started. It's gonna be super easy. And all right, first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw a straight line across right here for the Boba. And by the way, Boba meaning the Boba drink, right? Like the drink, the milk tea. Line across. Excuse me. Kind of tired from last night. Gonna go down over here. Down over here, right? For the cup is gonna taper down. And I'm gonna put a round area here. There you go. I'm gonna go to the kind of the lid area. I'm gonna pull out a little bit, up, across, down. Over here now, it's gonna have like the dome. By the way, I love boba. I love drinking boba. That's like my favorite drink. I was drinking it so much at one point that it was getting to be an unhealthy habit because there's too much sugar in it, you know? I mean, I guess you can reduce the sugar, right? If anybody has it as much as I do, then we'll know that. So we have the cup right there. Line up right here. Curvature right there. Down. It's gonna be like the straw sticking out. They got the extra big straw, right? It's these gelatin ball things at the bottom. So I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna not put it down there, but I'm gonna continue it off right here. But I'm gonna actually try to align it up as close as I can, right? It's gonna be a straw, right? It's one continuous thing. Go down. Curve along the edge over here for the kind of edge of the straw, and then I'm gonna do this over here. So hopefully you guys are having a great day, by the way. Hopefully you're doing good, doing fun stuff. Definitely, if you like learning how to draw, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I go over all kinds of stuff, from cartoons, from animated things from movies, things from video games, you know, all kinds of stuff, like, and just objects like this, pretty much anything you request. So if you request something, I'm gonna do it probably, but like when you kind of so now I'm gonna draw a straight line here. I'll continue more about that. I'm gonna draw another layer. I'm gonna draw another line going down here, curve over here. It's kind of showing that like clear layer. But yeah, it like the cool part is when you subscribe and it shows you kind of like the stuff in your feed, it helps you improve drawing. It always keeps it on your mind. I've noticed that too about me the last year. That's the one thing I learned, is that I have drawing on the mind more often, even if I watch it. Obviously drawing will be much better, but even if I watch it, it just helps a lot. Like a lot. Just kind of like having it in my mind's eye. And the worst part for me is I don't want it to be like a year from now. That's happened before, where it's a year from now and I'm not better in any way than the year before. It really is miserable. So I started kind of just like subbing to like everything, just really watching videos, just kind of engulfing myself in the art stuff. All right, gonna go over here and now I'm gonna draw the boba. So I'm gonna go circle here, circle here, circle here, circle there. Just kind of putting a few right there on the bottom there. Circle over there, maybe one over here, maybe. Right up. Let's draw the actual liquid over here. Pull a line across. Around here. Alright, that's going to show kind of the liquid in there. And if you really want, you can throw these lines across here, like thin lines, just kind of showing there's a different value, like there is something in there, really. There you go. It's gonna show like there's like a shade of something in there, right? There's something else, or you could fill it in entirely, which I'm not gonna do. But you could do that. If you want to make it look even darker, you could throw like a crosshatch there, but you don't have to. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw an extra thick line around the outside. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw cute stuff, check out the Cute Drawing ebook. It is in the description. Go check that out. Kind of throwing that thicker line to kind of contain the shape. Makes it look more official. It makes it just looks like a, I don't know, just makes it look a little bit better. Yawning so much. I'm like not that tired. It's funny. I didn't even stay up that late. I stayed up just adequately. And that's mostly it. That is Boba. And that is like the object of the day, pretty much. If there's any other, I'll throw a line down here for the straw. If there's anything else you want me to draw, hit this, basically reach out to me. I'm very easy to reach. A lot of easy stuff to draw. Like pretty much like everything can be narrowed down into an 8-minute drawing lesson. You just have to reach out and say, hey, what's up? I didn't see this on your channel, or hey, what's up? The channel doesn't have this, and I will fill in that gap, okay? You just gotta tell me, and I will totally draw it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. One last thing, I want you to say hi to me if you can hear my voice right now, and I'll be able to tell in the comment section whether, you heard me. So thank you so much. I'll see you next time, okay? Talk to you soon, and see you later.